Hi, this is Devashish from CircuitDigest. Once again, back with another video. And in today's video, we'll be showing you this cool little microcontroller from a company called Megawin. And you will be wondering why I'm showing you this microcontroller, because to be honest with you, it's very cheap. It has a ton of features, and so I thought to give it a go. But I like this microcontroller quite a bit because it's easy to program. You do not need an additional programmer or anything like that to program these devices. So yeah, in today's video I'll be explaining all that. And if you want to know more about this microcontroller and its working, do check out the article or the post linked in the description. It will redirect you to our blog where I mentioned all the details. So let's begin with this microcontroller. So in order to write the code, you will need the Keil IDE, which you can see I have opened it right here. So I have written the blink sketch over here. As you can see, the delay is not perfect. It's not a timer delay, it's just bunch of knobs creating a single cycle delay, and repeating those in a for loop makes this delay kind of works. The main logic stays the same. You turn off the pin for a certain period of time, then you turn on the pin for a certain period of time, and the thing repeats. And I have defined the pin here. I have defined the system clock over here, but other than that there is nothing more to it and in this code. But I have mentioned a little bit of in details in the blog, so do check out that. But the more interesting thing is how you actually program this thing. So first you need to build this, so you go right here and click on build. As you can see, the build process started, and as you can see, the build is successful. And it is on a separate folder, so I'll show you where the hex file is generated. But for now, let's pay our attention. Let's focus our attention to this tool. It's the Megawin USB to UART COM port flasher. Or so to work with this tool, you need to select your part number. For that, I am using the 82 series, and this is my specific IC number. You select your COM port, that is my COM port, and you leave everything there, and you load the file. So yeah, in here you will get two options, the AP code and the IAP code. AP code means the data, IAP code means it will directly flash into the RAM. The code will directly flash into the RAM. So don't get bothered about this, just AP code will do the job fine. And now in your project folder, go to objects, and there is your sample hex. There are also bunch of files there, but we just need the hex, so load the hex. And as you can see, I have loaded the hex, and this is the hex that is generated by Keil. And what you need to do is click on the update target button. As you can see, the update process started, and the you can see the dots over there, but it will not flash this chip because it has some caveat, as you will see right now. So let's focus our attention here. So in order to flash the code, what you'll need to do is you take this IC, or take this breakout board I made, and these are two power pins. You pull out the power pin and you connect it back in, and as you can see on the monitor, it says pass. So I have tried many methods. I have tried resetting the device, but you have to pull the power out and plug it back in order to flash the chip. And as you can see, the LED is blinking again. So our code was successful, and this is how easy it is to program this chip. So I got it piqued my interest very well, so I've thought to do this project. I hope you liked it, and if you have some question, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will try to answer them. Thank you for watching.